Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change currency in Google Sheets. So first, we're going to open our Google Sheet. Then next, we're going to click on Format. Then under Number, first you guys are going to see the current currency. Then you're going to click on Custom Currency. So there are a lot of custom currencies here. You guys have to scroll downwards to find your currency. For example, you can change it to British Pound Sterling. Then click on Apply. So as you can see, it was in dollars previously. Now it's in pounds. You guys can repeat the step and change it back again. So it's currently in sterling. Then you guys are going to click on custom currency, then change it back to USD. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple step. Make sure to also check out our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.